Hey guys, look at that. Oh dang, where'd it go? There it is. Where is it? That right there is a ground wasp. Whoa, where'd it go? Ah, there it is. It's so awesome. I love these insects. They're very docile, which is cool. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he go. Look at him. Like, he's flying so close to me, and he's doing nothing. Where is it? There it is. They're huge, but they're awesome. I'm gonna step away because I just don't want to bother it. Hey, he's vibe checking me. Oh no! Where'd he go? Ah, there it is. This video is for my friend Nathan because he likes these wasps. Bye.